Okay, so in this video, what I'm going to be doing is building a house on the bridge, and then I'm going to be finding my friend in it. This was with Killer Whale, and like the last video, I will link his channel in the description. So yeah, that's it. I'm probably going to do another intro like always, but whatever. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and yeah, make sure to like and subscribe. That's it. Welcome back to this video. Today I'm with Killer Whale again, and we're going to do another bridge video. Today we're going to be making a house in the bridge. Yeah, not something you see every day. So, just going to join their party real quick. I don't know why that's not working, but okay, there. So we're just going to take this thing and make it into a nice house. So, first thing like usual, we're going to need to start a little lower. So first things first, I think we should each dig around like, I want to say a few blocks down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, I'd say dig down 5 blocks each. Okay, so if you could do that, that would be nice. So like we'll just mine like 5 blocks total down, and then I think that should be a good like starting position for a house. Okay. Now I'll start. Okay, so I think I want the exterior of the house to be mainly red, but blue will work too. So let's make like a nice little pathway. So, you know, it's a house, okay? You can't blame me. A house needs a pathway. So I'd say like the main entrance should be here. And I'm not a professional builder in no way, shape, or form. Not even in regular Minecraft survival. I mean, I play regular, but whatever. So this will be the nice main entrance, I would say. And yeah, let's start making a platform. Let's make it 5 blocks on each side, 6 blocks on each side. So okay, so this is just a little voiceover. At this point, we're mostly done with like the base foundation of the house, but it's gonna go on for longer. So I mean, you're gonna see quite a few time lapses here. It's not really my best video. Okay, we are officially done. Okay, wait, let me just like, you know, get the final things up real quick. Make sure no little debris is left. Void. Okay, let's void and then the games begin in some time. Also, before you go, before we go, we have to go down the grand stairways, okay? So 3, 2, 1, go! No block placing, remember. Saying. Okay, you know what? Grand staircase is fine. You don't have to use it. Oof. Well, okay, pre-gap. Sorry, I forgot to pre-gap. Royal staircase is not a necessity now, okay? Okay, wait, hold up. Before we go, actually, I have an idea. Stop. Void real quick. I think I want to add a few decorations to the house. So, like a little couch. So, a little couch should be quite cool. So, let me just add a little couch here. Okay, corner couch. Like this. Yeah, like this. This is pretty good feel. Vibe, you know? Chilling. Just making a sofa in the bridge in a house that you made in the bridge. Not something you see every day. Okay, no, TV, I guess. TV, that's the TV. A dining table. Okay, sorry. So I'll just quickly make the dining table. Okay, and just a little study table, I guess. Boom. Okay, quick. Okay, let's go. Hurry up. Fight. Hurry up. Come. 1 minute. The game ends in 1 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute. No block placing. I can't place blocks. Okay, go. Whoever has the most points in the end wins. Okay, let's go. No. No. Yes. No. Yes. Well, it was a draw. GG. Well, bye. Thanks for watching, everyone. That's a pretty fun game. Anyways, thanks for watching. Bye, everyone.